Okie dokie. In this video, we are taking a look at using MDX with NextJS in GraphCMS. This example is available on the GraphCMS examples repo over on GitHub. I'm going to download this manually with npx digit. I'll pop that command into my terminal and wait for it to download. CD into the project directory and open it with VS Code. Before we take a look at the project, however, I'm going to install the dependencies with yarn. While that is installing, we'll take a look around the project here. So with MDX, you can define your own components. In here, we've got a test component, which is rendering out a p tag, colored blue. You can use this within your GraphCMS project. If we take a look at the pages and the index here, we're using GraphQL client and GraphQL request, and we're hitting the GraphCMS e-commerce example project here, defining our GraphQL query for the product's slug and name, and returning the products as props. This is being used in our index page here. We're using NextLink to render out a link for each product slug, which is in turn being used by the products page here. This is where we're using MDX remote render to string. We're importing our test component. We're defining the GraphCMS client to hit the e-commerce example project endpoint. Here we're defining the components we want to use in our markdown. So we have the test component, and we're also styling all the H2s to be red. That's being used in getStaticProps here, where the slug is being taken out of the params and used in our project page query here. This is returning the name, the markdown, and the price. We're defining the product here, passing in our MDX components, and spreading in the rest of the props for product, and that's it. So let's take a look at this in action. I'll go over to my terminal, use yarn dev, and pop open localhost 3000. Here we can see our long sleeve tee with our coloured H2. It's the same for the short sleeve tee. Got a coloured H2 here. And if you take a look at the cap, we can see that we're rendering out the test component here. This component is used in GraphCMS. If we go to our content, to the product, and over to the cap, you can see that this is where the MDX component is being used. That's it for this one. I hope you found it useful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.